Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jason, and this is my fellow tour guide, Carl and Benedict. We are on behalf of Malayan Tour. We would like to welcome you to the Philippines, and I would like to take a minute to familiarize you in our area and brief you with our safety precautions. Firstly, I would like to ask you to remain seated as we reach our destination. And please do not eat or drink on the bus. Secondly, I would like to inform you that you cannot drink on public, so I recommend you to drink in your hotel or in the bar. Drink responsibly and enjoy your vacation. I promise you that you will enjoy. We have some parks, and you can actually visit our town museum and our beach. You can walk in moonlit, and what that? And let's start time now. Let's proceed.
Okay, so Malayan Tours offers a variety of special discounts depending on your travel plan. This includes ghost packages and as well as guided boat tours. Oh, I forgot. Tomorrow at 1 p.m. at your hotel lobby, there will be a short information session that will discuss about the latest of your tours. So, so, if you need to exchange your money, I recommend you to use money exchanges in banks. I don't recommend you to go to a hotel because you won't get a fair rate in there. And if you want to go around the city, I recommend you taking a bus because it only costs for about 43 pesos. And if you're gonna go with a taxi, I recommend you to negotiate the price before you go.
As you minutes, we are arriving at our hotel, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the view of our park and the view of our city. And please check your bag if you totally remove it from the bag. If you have some other questions regarding the tour packages, don't hesitate to ask Carl and Jason regarding it. And thank you for going to the Philippines. And I hope to see you on our information session tomorrow. Thank you.
Oh, by the way, I have one question. You were mentioning about museums and then parks where we can go, but you didn't mention what are these museums or these parks. Okay, what is that museum that we're going? What's the name? And then the park.
You can go to the Atlantic Park and Blanco City. We have the gallery.
And we're going to eat. And want to eat seafood. Can you recommend famous restaurants for seafood?
Yes. Actually, the hotel is here for our seafood. So, the name of the restaurant is Makan Makan Restaurant. No, I would not recommend it to take photos. Because they're prohibited in our
You can also eat inside the
So you cannot because you will just research around.
What would be the museum's focus? History of the Philippines or people inside the Philippines?
We do focus on the painting of Mr. Blanca, and some history of
Gondola,